Kamusta guys? Welcome back to our channel.
And if you're new here, welcome! I'm Kat.
And I'm Pat. And we are the Drug Queens!
We're all about drugstore and affordable beauty products.
We do makeup tutorials, reviews, and challenges.
For today's video, it's going to be another one of our mukbang series wherein we test liquid lipsticks against food.
But today's mukbang challenge wouldn't be just versus food. But we were gonna drink and we're going to check if this lasts for the whole night.
Yes, we are taking you out tonight. So if you want to join us for a girls' night out, you know, and if this lipstick can last all night, then please keep on watching.
Today's mukbang, our featured lipstick would be Loreal Infallible lipsticks. They cost for 390 pesos.
Yeah, sobrang daming claims nitong infallible lipstick and it's supposed to last super long.
Like 24-hour long.
Yes, and we are going to test that tonight. What I'm wearing is in the shade 370 Rose Blood.
And I'm wearing the shade 352 Shakedown. Ooh, Shakedown. Kat, what was your first impression when you put your lipstick?
Sobrang creamy and sobrang kapal ng consistency, as in super thick.
As in, tong lipstick na to is one dip lang for me. Tipong pag ginanon mo na yung kanyang applicator, sobrang nagpo-produce pa siya ng product.
And speaking of applicator, sobrang one of a kind yung kanilang applicator. Parang spade yung shape niya and it's bendable, flexible. So, yung mga hard to reach areas ng lips mo, hard to yung parang
lagyan, i-glide ng lipstick. Cupid's bow natin, swak na swak talaga siya pag in-apply mo, no? And I'm excited because it's L'Oreal.
Yes.
Alam natin na lahat naman ng drugstore is mura, but L'Oreal is one of the medyo expensive na lipstick, no? Na more than 200 pesos na. So, parang excited ako. As of right now, kanina, no, parang sticky siya.
Yes, dahil thick yung consistency, medyo naging sticky siya. So, ang advice namin or ang tip namin is, huwag niyo masyadong i-pop yung lips niyo kasi magsi-stick siya together and it will cause discoloration. So, antayin niyo lang matuyo like what we did, as in, tuyo na ba yung sayo?
Meron pa rin stickiness, but baka mamaya magtutuyo na siya kapag nagbihis na tayo.
Yes. So, we're gonna change lang and let's go out! Siguro dahil one lips lang din yung ginamit mo, no?
Oo, one dip lang.
Ako kasi yung isa.
I-retouch ko pa ba to?
Retouch natin. One lang. We'll update you again. Lipat lang kami.
Okay! Pagod? Pagod pero hindi lasing. Oy.
Yes. Hindi kami naglasing because we're gonna shoot pa itong conclusion of our mukbang series. Okay. Pasensya na, di na kami nag-retouch. Kamusta ang lips mo?
Well, as you can see sa footage a while ago, nawala na yung inner lipstick ko, di ba? And then, after that, niretouch lang ni Kat kasi nga, yun nga, one dip lang kasi siya. Yun sa'yo kasi, di ba, parang
Isa sa taas, isa sa baba.
Yeah.
So, I had 2 dips of lipstick.
Yes. Sa akin kasi, dahil the night is young, kaya ako mag-retouch. Ayun, so right now, let me see that. Ang ganda pa rin.
Ilang baso yung ininuman ko and ni isa dun, walang kiss mark or lips mark.
Bottles pa ng beer and we're still okay after kung ano man yung tawag mo dun sa mga pa-shot nilang gano'n.
I was expecting mine to bleed kasi it's a dark red. Lalo na kasi I have oily skin din. But it didn't. Tapos, ang tagal na, sumasayaw pa kami, nagpawis na kami. Pero, okay pa rin siya. And I'm very, very, very impressed talaga.
And these are dark lipstick. It means that there were no discoloration, chappiness, nothing at all. Does it feel super, super matte like drying? No, it does not. But it takes a little more time for it to subside or for it to dry. Yun lang yung part na yun. But after that naman, sobrang hindi sticky. I mean, can you see that?
Wala talaga. Wala siyang transfer. Kahit anong kain ko ng nachos and tacos.
Yeah,
and
it was a
inom,
really good
inom.
food. Yeah.
Wala. Girl, sobrang sulit nito. Infallible talaga. Siguro next time we have to test this ng 24 hours. Pero, it's the best liquid lipstick I've ever tried so far. As in, like, ito yung #1 sa series nito. Promise. That's my
Yes,
grade.
for now. And parehas kami ngayon ng panalo talaga siya. Anyway, that concludes our mukbang for today, or mukbang wear test, and I hope you guys enjoyed it.
If you did, please give us a thumbs up and comment down below kung ano pang liquid lipstick ang gusto niyong itry namin sa series na ito.
Yes, and don't forget to subscribe in our channel,
And
follow us on our social media accounts. Our Facebook is /drugqueens12 and our Instagram is @drug.queen.
That is all for today, and we hope to see you again in our next video. Bye! Our feet can't take it anymore.